I came to Rishihood to introduce this whole tool and the magic of TouchDesigner to students because it's like a new tool and new way to look at things and solve problems by having an interactive elements to it. Tools like TouchDesigner really allows a user or students or designers to have an interactive element where it allows you to interact with your 2D elements. If you are an animator, you can take your animations and make it interactive. If you are a 2D illustrator, you can take that illustrations and make it interactive, or do some AI integration or things like that. The sky is the limit really for that. Usually a lot of tools which design schools offer is basically based on Adobe. It's like a linear software if you look at it. But in terms of TouchDesigner, it's all about the modular components in it. So it's a node-based program which allows you really to fix things here and fix things over there, and then you can solve the problem with multiple ways and not just like a linear way. The most memorable moment was for me to see students' face when they saw their own artwork going out of the laptop screen, which was getting projected on an object, like a real space object. The face which they had, that expression which they had, that was like a really fulfilling for me. So I think curiosity is really important. Every creative being has to take their curiosity seriously because it really knows the way to go ahead in the career, because that way you will not feel bored to learn a new thing or pick up a new thing, and you will be able to constantly engage yourself into new kind of things or new kind of mediums, be it design, be it horse riding, be it automobile loving, all that kind of thing. So curiosity is really important. It's really like going ahead with the future to explore that entire tool, not only in design factor, but to also solve a real life problem, which are like very space one problems.